Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious and easy chicken pozole. Perfect for this cold weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this amazing and easy red chicken pozole, these are the ingredients: salt, cumin, Mexican oregano, Bailey's, garlic, chicken bouillon, of course, the hominy, chicken, half an onion, California chili pods, pasilla chili pods. This is everything we need to make this delicious and easy red chicken pozole at home. So let's get started. I want to start here first with the chicken. I have 3 chicken breasts with no bone. I am going to cut the chicken breast in 1-inch little pieces. This is going to really be nice and incorporated with the hominy. Look at this. It doesn't take too long, but let me tell you, this pozole is low calorie, and of course, when you make it with chicken breast, it doesn't even have a lot of calories. Look at this. The water's boiling. I am going to add the little pieces of the chicken breast. I'm going to add half an onion, my Bailey's, and I am going to cook it for about 15 minutes. Here I am going to add the Juanita can. I'm going to rinse and remove all this liquid. Once you rinsed it really good through running water, I am going to put it aside. I have the 4 chile pasilla pods that I'm going to remove the seeds, and the California chili pods, I am going to remove the seeds. Once I remove the seeds, I'm going to add it in a pan, add some water, and take it to the stove to get it nice and hydrated. Look at this. After about 10-15 minutes, you are ready to remove all the white stuff that accumulates on top of the water. I'm now adding 1 tablespoon of salt. Remember that salt is to taste. And this is going to be the topping for my chicken red pozole. Look at this. Of course, the chilies are already nice and hydrated. I am going to put them on my blender. I am going to use the same liquid. And here I am going to add 2 generous tablespoons of the hominy so that it gets nice and thick and the water is not too runny from the pozole. And now I am ready to start adding the cumin, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 4 or 5 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 1 teaspoon of Mexican oregano, and we are going to blend for a couple minutes. If you need to add a little bit of water, go ahead and add about 1 more cup of liquid so that it blends really good. And look at this. Okay, now I am ready to remove the onion. I'm going to leave the garlic cloves there and the Baileys. I'm just removing the onion. Once you remove the onion, let me show you how this looks. Of course, it's chicken breast. It's not going to take too long to cook. Here I'm adding the hominy. I am going to mix it, and I want to show you how it looks. Look at this. The chicken is just slightly a little larger than the hominy. Once you incorporate it, then you are ready to add the salsa. Of course, I am going to use a little bit of the liquid to clean the cup of the blender and remove all that delicious sauce from it. Okay, now I am ready to just incorporate everything really good. And I am going to cook it for just a couple minutes until the chicken is tender. Look at this. I am sure that with this cold weather, you could make this delicious and easy, low-calorie pozole. Cook it for about 10 to 20 minutes right after you add the red sauce. I am ready to start slicing the cabbage and slicing the rest of the ingredients. Of course, you want the cabbage to be really thin, so take your time. Look at this. You guys are really going to love this amazing recipe. It's a very low-calorie pozole because we are using the chicken breast with no bone, but yet all the flavors are in here. I am going to slice away. Of course, the lemon is organic from my garden, and I am going to go ahead and take the seeds out. You want to make sure that you remove the seeds from the lemon so that when you squeeze the lemon right on top of your pozole, there's no seeds behind, okay? So be careful. Remove the seeds and enjoy this delicious homemade chicken red pozole. Of course, I am going to put it aside and I'm going to continue with the onion. I'm going to slice and cube the onion in very small little pieces. Look at this. This is a very easy, delicious, healthy chicken pozole. I'm going to go ahead and transfer it to this plate. Of course, I am going to use the chili oil that you already have on my channel. It's called salsa macha. You are really going to enjoy this amazing pozole. As you could see, there's no lard on the top. There's no, you could see that it's nice and clear. If the chicken is tender, then it is ready. Turn off the stove and you are ready to enjoy this low-calorie pozole. If you liked and loved this amazing and easy recipe, leave me thumbs up, share this video on social media, be part of Cooking with Gloria. Thank you so much for being here. I am sure you're going to love this amazing and delicious low-carb chicken pozole. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing and delicious red chicken pozole. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. Delicious. Perfect with this cold weather. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. Thank you so much for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this delicious chicken pozole. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.